Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how albino leather is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
This is where we perfect the balance of softness and durability, essential for luxury fashion. Each formula is precisely calibrated. Each formula is meticulously balanced here, ensuring the exceptional softness and lasting durability that defines luxury fashion.
Ratios are holding steady for the bronze stage.
Running final diagnostics on the bison hide now.
Run a full diagnostic on the softening cycle.
Diagnostics complete. Ratios are holding steady for the bison hide.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility. Pallet 34B. Verify contents before loading.
Confirmed. Proceeding to truck 4.
And that's how albino bison leather is made. From start to finish.
The tension on the x-axis is holding steady.
Good. Let's increase the cycle speed by 5% and monitor the grain expansion.
The elasticity is consistent across the hide.
The adjustments worked. The grain structure is holding.
The structural integrity report is clear. Premium quality confirmed.
I'm finalizing the digital profile now.
The uniformity is flawless on this batch.
Agreed. Send it through to finishing.
The sensor readings look good. The oils are absorbing nicely.
Yes, the softness is increasing exactly as expected.
Albino-Bison leather shipment confirmed for Tokyo and Paris routes.
Authorization granted. Dispatch immediately.